In this video, I'm gonna check if it is possible to install ChatGPT on Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. So all we need to do to check that is we need to go to the Play Store, and then over here we can just search for ChatGPT. And if we manage to find the app, then of course we should be able to install it. But it seems that no, actually ChatGPT seems to be not available as an app. And there is one like a AI chat or something, but that is definitely not ChatGPT. So what you might want to do instead is you might want to use the browser. Let's say the Samsung browser, you will need to install it as well. And then in here you can, for example, search for ChatGPT. So let's use the search here. We can type ChatGPT. I actually typed it wrong, but that should be fine. So we can get Google search result, and as you can see here, we can try to open the ChatGPT, and hopefully that is going to work. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.